Okay, the first one then, I got 2 to the power of 5. Take away 11 squared, so let's work these out separately first of all. So 2 to the power of 5, that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 11 to the power of 2 is 11 times 11. So 2 2s are 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. 11 11 is 121, so I'm going to do 32, take away 121. So I'll do it, 121 take away 32 first of all, and then obviously it'll be minus our answer. So 1 take away 2 can't do, so I'll borrow, that's a 1, that's 11. 11 take away 2 is 9. 1 take away 3 I can't do, so that becomes 0, that's 11. 11 take away 3 is 8, so that's 89. Because it's 32 take away 121, it's minus 89. Right, anything to the power of 0 is 1, so 28 to the power of 0 is just 1. 81 to the 1 quarter. Now, what that is asking me is, what times itself 4 times makes 81? Well, I've just done 2 up here, times itself. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16, so that's not big enough. So if I do 3's next, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 3's are 9, that'll pair to 9, that'll pair to 9, 9 9's are 81. So 81 to the 1 quarter is 3. Now 25 to the minus a half. The negative power is 1 over, so that's 1 over 25 to the power of a half. Power of a half means square root. Square root of 25 is 5. So this is 3 times 1/5, which is 3/5. Right, the next one, right, let's take these out to standard form then. So 3.4 times 10 cubed. So that means move the point 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Zeros in the gaps. 1.2 times 10 to the power of 2. So that's 1.2. Move it 2 places. 1, 2. 0 in the gaps. That's 120. And I've got to add those. Nothing and nothing is nothing. Nothing and 2 is 2. 4 and 1 is 5. 3 and nothing is 3. Now it doesn't ask me to give it in standard form, so I can leave the answer like that. Right, estimate. So we need to rewrite these numbers. So 19.843, that's between 19 and 20, so that'll be 20. Like this number 0.249, it's between 0.2 and 0.3, but as you see that's very close to 0.25. And 0.25 is a nice decimal, so I don't often use 2 digits after the decimal point, because that's coming out to be 0.25, a quarter. It's easy to use. Divided by, now then, 0.0099, so that 99 there will round this 0 here to a 1. So that's over 0.01. So on the top line, that's a quarter. A quarter of 20 is 5. 5 divided by 0.01, and when I divide by 0.01, then I'm making this answer bigger. Okay, so to get it to 1, it'll be 2 places after the decimal point, so 2 places there. Number in the gaps, that's 500 over 1, which is 500.